Hello friends, welcome back to CodeEdge, the place where we simplify SAP UI5 and Fiori for everyone. In today's video, we will understand the SAP UI5 project folder structure, what's inside and what each folder or file does. If you are starting your SAP UI5 journey, this video will make your basic strong. So let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the web app folder. This is the main folder of your SAP UI5 app. Everything your app needs, views, controllers, models, configurations, goes inside this. When SAP UI5 runs your app, it looks inside the web app folder. Inside the web app, the first important folder is view. This folder contains your XML view files, the screens that users actually see. For example, main.view.xml. Here you design things like buttons, list, input field, text and layout. This view is connected to a controller file which handles the logic. Next comes the controller folder. This folder has JavaScript files that control how your app behaves. For example, main.controller.js. This is where you handle button clicks, write, search, or filter functions. Talk to the model like data and update the view. Now let's talk about the model folder. This is where your data lives. You might have a file like data.json which contains employee list, product details, and more. You can also connect this to live data from the backend using OData. So basically, the model is your app's data source. Then we have the I18N folder for multi-language support. It contains translation files like i18n.properties for English and i18n underscore hi.properties for Hindi. So based on the user's language, the app can show content accordingly. Now let's talk about an important file, Component.js. Think of this as the brain of your app. It loads the manifest.json, register views and models, and start routing and navigation. Basically, Component.js initialize your app. Next is manifest.json, the configuration file. This file tells SAP UI5 how your app works. It contains app name, version, and ID, what view to open first, which models to use, and routing information for navigation. It's like a blueprint for your SAP UI5 app. Finally, we have index.html, the starting point of your app. It bootstraps the SAP UI5 framework and loads the component.js file. In short, your app starts from index.html. That's it for today's video. Now you know exactly how an SAP UI5 app folder is structured and what each part does. In the next video, we'll use this structure to create a basic app and show it in action. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to CodeEdge for more SAP UI5 tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.